Hello, I'm Alvise from Italy. I graduated in theoretical philosophy and now I work as freelance copywriter, most of the time while traveling around the world. And in the last 5 years, my life became partly nomadic, and I started to learn from it and thinking about how traveling and moving could affect the way we think and the way we grow. We will reflect together on how a nomadic approach to life could impact the leadership and also contribute to develop new points of view and new ways of thinking. Cultivating diversity and curiosity, constantly redefining who we are and the way we connect with others, exploring new opportunities to grow our leadership vision. Can't wait to meet you soon, wherever we'll be.